Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Samsung Galaxy A20 for the first time. So before we begin, we need to insert a SIM card. The SIM card can be inserted by removing the SIM tray on the left hand side. So I'm going to put the SIM pin into the SIM tray and pull out the SIM tray. I'm going to put a SIM card in here, and then we put the SIM tray into the SIM slot right here, and then you can press on the power button on the side to power up the Galaxy A20. Okay, once you are on the Let's Go screen, choose your region and then tap on the blue arrow button to get started. In here, select the terms. Now make sure that you do not select receipt of marketing information if you do not want to receive ads on your device, and then tap on next. Now here you can connect to a Wi-Fi. Now put in the Wi-Fi password and tap on the connect button. Next, tap on the next button at the bottom. And now the phone will try to perform and check for any new updates for the device. Okay, at this stage, it asks, do you want to copy apps and data? If you have nothing to transfer over, you can choose don't copy. And at this point, you can choose to sign into the device, or you can skip. Now put in your Google account and password, and then you will need to verify your account. Okay, on the next screen, we can go down and tap on turn on. And then we're going to tap on next. And then tap on more, then tap on more and accept. Okay, we can skip the protect your phone if you want to skip now, or you can set up a PIN or password. Tap on confirm PIN without tapping OK and choose continue. Now you need to put in the PIN again to confirm. And here you can review additional apps. So if you want to install any of this app, then just leave as default. If you do not want to install one of the apps, you can simply deselect. And that's it. And we can now go down and tap on the OK button. Okay, on the next step, it will ask you to sign into your Samsung account. If you do not have a Samsung account, you can create one, or you can skip and you can sign in later on from the settings menu. I'm going to choose skip for now, and then tap on skip and tap on finished. And that's it. So that's how you can quickly set up your Samsung Galaxy A20, and it's ready for use now. You can also go into settings. So I'm going to swipe down and tap on the settings button, and in here in settings you can always go in and set up your Wi-Fi connection. If you haven't done so, you can turn on Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth, and other settings. You can go down to accounts, so you can tap on accounts and backup. In here, if you tap on accounts, you can sign to your Samsung account. And that's it. That's how you can quickly set up your Galaxy A20. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.